He working. See what I'm saying? All out here. Putting that work in. Man doing whole body work.
Man, shawty.
Trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dabbing, bitch. I'm trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dabbing, bitch. I'm trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dab.
YouTube, what's happening, baby? It's your boy GBody Spanky, man. We back, we putting in work, man. I told y'all gonna keep dropping these videos, coming with this hot content, man. Hey, man, look, man. Another day, man. Get up and get something done with your day, man. You got 24. Let's go. Run it up, man. Hey, check it out, man. Finna go to the spot. Cut dog at. Put in some work today. Y'all know we got to messing with the GP the other day. I had to go and knock that a little bit out of that little light wheeler. You know? A little tired, man. Yo, gotta go back to work tomorrow, man. Tomorrow, Monday, so we'll be back at it. So, but other than that, I'm trying to turn some bolts right now, man. Gonna get my car running. Like I told y'all, I'm on a deadline to have these. Well, I got the granite right, but I gotta have that Cutlass running, man, before it get cold. So we gotta be putting some little light paint on it and this and that, you know, little knick-knack, so I can get to jumping on back and forth on over my car, man, get them slowly ready for shoulder. And Grand Prix probably be getting painted again sometime this time next year. We're gonna go with the permanent color. We're gonna go on ahead, go with the wheels, all that stuff. But for right now, y'all know I'm doing everything just to keep the content coming for y'all. Keep everything going, you know, keep me in the algorithm. Let y'all keep up with the bills, you know, cause you know you got everybody pockets ain't the same. So right now I'm doing everything on the budget for my budget people, cause I'm on a budget right now. So we're gonna do it like that. We're gonna small fry it out till everything get bigger, you know. Teamwork, yeah, man. We better go get it in, man. I gotta stop back in here. I went around and go to the air tank. So I'm gonna run in here and grab that right quick. Then we're gonna go on shoot on the auntie house and get it cracking, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Your boy GBody Spanky, man. If you haven't, like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe to the channel, man. Y'all help the page go, help the page grow, man. Excuse me. Help the page grow. Just finna eat, gang. Y'all don't mind me. Yeah, man. Keep it on the algorithm, man. Keep me in the algorithm. Like I said, it's your boy GBody Spanky. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'm finna turn y'all on in a second, man. Let me go get that air tank so we can go get busy. Yeah. Real fish, man. I ain't gonna be playing. I need to find one though. I'm gonna rock it out like that till we get to TL, so I ain't tripping. I ain't bidding it for you. I'm gonna get ready to start on this interior pretty soon, guys. So y'all just get ready for the ride, man. Putting all my plans in order now, how I'm coming. Y'all just bear with me. We back working. We back on the old school. Let me go and get ready to get out of here. we done made it over here. Soon as I'm finna get ready to turn the boats and whatnot, man. Look like it finna rain out this time. I can't make this up. I can't make this up. Y'all just don't know how bad I'm ready to get my car rolling, man. I'm still finna probably put that radiator in, though. I think I got them radiator holes. I'm finna slap them joints in. What else I know I got? I still got the distributor laying right there, but I need to go and slap that transmission in. Get the motor hooked up to it. I can't do this with one hand, gang. Hold on. That motor got to sit up. So I ain't gonna mess with that today. Put my radiator in, put my hoses on. I'm gonna eliminate this, cause this right here hook up to the down old mobile motor. I'm rerun, give me some new lines and redo those. That's pretty much all I'm finna do today, man. Man, I need my baby running, gang, cause I'm ready to go and get these seats done. I'm gonna let my boy Cutlass redo them seats. I got the seats. Really need to. I got two front seats, man, but I got out that Grand Prix at pull apart, but I really don't like them seats. I really wanted to find me another seat like that one. And that way, I can just get those done. Oh yeah, that carpet on the way too, I ordered that. So I'm gonna snap this on. Now ain't number 2 bolts holding that seat there. And snap that back out, there ain't gonna be nothing there. Gonna slap my carpet on down enough. Hopefully that'll be here this week or the week after next. Yeah, man. I'm ready to go and bust it down and get started. I'm finna let y'all get a little walk around before I get started. That's the radiator right there. That's just temporary radiator too. That ain't gonna stay in this junk. So let y'all see what we working with here. Trying to get a little footage and hurry up and do a little something for the rain shit. Y'all don't want to. You know what I mean? Leave y'all without nothing. I told you, I promised y'all videos dropping and work doing. And that's what we doing. Yeah, man, let me go and cut the camera off before I get lost in the sauce talking to y'all, man. Let me go and get these folks turning, man. Gonna mark up the radiator, hook up the hoses, gonna eliminate that, cause I'm running new line. What else I say I'm finna do right quick? Hoses that. That's pretty much all I can do right now. That's all I can do right now. Cause I most definitely gotta go get that transmission so I can go and get that motor set up right, put that chrome and all that up. Cause I wanna go and drop that in there. My partner sending me a carburetor. He said he gonna have that at work, so we going with a Holly. He said he got a brand new Holly in the box, so I'm copping that. That'll kill that. And we're gonna ride this motor here for, at least a year. And we're gonna go ahead and get the body done, inside done, trunk. We're gonna get everything, you feel me? So by the time I get ready to LS this thing, I already have everything ready. So pretty much after that, I'll be just going back with everything I really wanna do. Probably do a frame out then, I don't know. We'll probably do the frame, I don't know. Don't quote me on it, but I'm thinking, I'm debating hard. Cause this is the bill car. So I'm debating on when I do everything, go back over it, should I frame off it and temporary everything in? I mean, not temporary, permanent everything, but everything going now is temporary. We're gonna go with a temporary back, maroon, burgundy look. We're gonna go with the, what's up? Bring it here. I'm gonna go get the seats redone, get that back factory. All right. Thank you. You're welcome. Hold on, guys. Let me open the popsicle for Doodle. See, he come bring him in this. He hot out here. Hot here? Hot out here. Oh, wow. Yeah, where I was at, gang. But yeah, get my seats done. Everything what I'm doing in this car in the GP temporary. Like that white on the Grand Prix, that's temporary because I got my permanent color. And going with that, we gonna do that GP first. So by the time I get this car running, Now I be getting my insides and all that done in the Grand Prix, so y'all gonna always have some footage coming. So that's why y'all gotta stay logged into the page, subscribe, keep the notification on. Cause even though we ain't gonna be working on this, we're gonna be working on the GP doing something, or we might be doing some of this, who knows. And then I told y'all I got the other build, the surprise build coming up, what I had bought them 60 for, so y'all stay tuned for that. You feel me? So, I said I wasn't gonna talk too much, but I'm finna go and cut the camera off, man. Got it. They gonna prep Bar City Ridge. They trying to prep on Bar City. Y'all can't crack that egg. Crack him. Crack him. Y'all gotta jump hard. Harder. Crack him. I'm gonna have to go in there and crack that head, man. Alright, gang, we done made it back, man. Start on a little body work on the Cutlass, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. Cause put in that work, dog. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Share the videos if you can, man, and make other people aware, man. Your boy GBody Spanker, man. And I'm gone.
Who is it? Sammy, man. Man, I ain't serving nobody on no, man. Nobody, man. Me fucked up. Got a chop whooping dope on the show. Still serving out of bando. Fiend cut a knock it at my dope. Made $100,000 off the people. I made $100,000 off the people. I made $100,000 off the people. When I get it, they don't tell a bitch I'm selling. I made $100,000 off the people. Got a chop whooping dope on the show. Still serving out of bando. Fiend cut a knock it at my dope. Made $100,000 off the people. I made $100,000 off the people. I made $100,000 off the people. When I get it, they don't tell a bitch I'm selling. I made $100,000 off the people.